Okay, to start, you're just creating this fraction down here. So look at your 2. The 2 is 2 holes. You have 3 holes down here. So to fill in holes, you can use this button. So there's your 2 holes. And then you know each of these holes has 100 total squares, but you need to fill in whatever number is on top right here, 35 hundredths. So for your tens place, there's 3 in your tens place. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. You have 5 in your hundredths place. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now your directions up here say to write the same fraction in decimal form. So you have 2, and then you have 35 hundredths, so you just put 35. Okay, so now you'll just write this one in decimal form. So start with your whole number and then fill in your hundredths, and that's it.